Storm heads over Quasqueton. I go to my car. Hopefully the scenery is more spectacular. Right now I have my roof. This is Thursday. Time to get Friday. Time to get gas so I can go tomorrow morning and get food. It's pretty bleak around here without food. Government suggestion: go to our food banks. So, a dear friend of mine, I've adopted as a sister, we go Saturday morning. Sometimes bright and early, like tomorrow, sometimes not so early, but we get food. Food for us, and sometimes food for Penny's mom. Madam X. Well, isn't that beautiful? That is perfect. I love clouds. I'm going to sit you down so that I can get to my car. So you'll be staring at the roof for just a tad, okay? Getting up should be made for people who are smaller. And bras should never have been invented because they never work and they're awful uncomfortable. Look at that. Okay, put you here. Fresh burn. I don't think my beans are going to do anything. I think we had a frost last night. We had like 60 million flies that tried to get in our home. My squash managed okay, but this looks tough. Never produced anything, but made it really nice, pretty green. I got paint, if I can afford it, in the fall when the flies are gone. There's still hope with those buds. I don't know if they will do anything or not. That's a big cloud. Okay. Pick up my stuff. Best way to get stuff over the top if you walk with a cane, fling it there. Anyone who makes noise about you doing that, you know, just tell them to shut up and fuck off. But do it in your head so no one hears you. here. Look here.